everyone. My name is Dr. Diana Gragg. I am the Managing Director for Explore Energy at the Precourt Institute for Energy at Stanford University, and also a lecturer in the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department at Stanford University. So I teach Understand Energy as a course 3 times a year at Stanford, fall, spring, and summer, and you will see me giving a lot of the lectures on the website as part of the Understand Energy Learning Hub. I grew up in Houston, Texas, in a place where the air quality often was pretty poor, had a lot of asthma and allergies and pneumonia related to that. So really grew up aware of environmental impacts from our energy use. And that really inspired me to get my undergraduate degree in chemical engineering from University of California at Berkeley, with an emphasis on air pollution and air quality. I worked in industry for a while, so I worked a couple summers at Exxon in the refinery, and also worked 4 years at Dow Chemical down in Freeport, Texas, working at a chlorine production facility. I was still very motivated by the environmental impacts of our needs and meeting human needs. So I focused a lot on trying to improve efficiency and other things while I was a production engineer. But after 4 years at Dow Chemical, really wanted to focus full-time on trying to address problems like air pollution and climate change. So I came back to school. I went to Stanford for a master's and a PhD in the Civil and Environmental Engineering program, in a program called Atmosphere Energy, which really combined my concern about atmospheric problems like air pollution and climate change with energy, which is where those problems originate and where the solutions are. And so through that process, I really began to focus more and more on energy, because that's where we really need to solve these problems. And I've done quite a bit of work since then, focusing on energy. I had a postdoc at the Precourt Energy Efficiency Center at Stanford, focused on sustainable transportation, and did some summer projects like in Washington, D.C., working with the Natural Resources Defense Council on energy policy. So that's my background. Very excited to be teaching you all about energy, what the impacts are, how the technology works, and what are the options for transitioning to the clean energy future we're all hoping for.